Skill token has got almost 400,000 holders, but this is a very risky play as of now, and in this video I'll tell you why. And later I will tell you everything about the project, about the token, but first of all, it's very important to see that the development team is actually dumping on the holders. As you can see here, this is the development wallet, and it's got 22% of the overall supply of the token. Now, what's really interesting, I'm gonna show you in just 1 second. So since the launch of the token, and as you can see, it's now on the screen, this was the total supply that was actually in the development team wallet, and as you can see, it was basically the entirety of the supply. And then what happened is they slowly but surely started dumping on the investors, and they've been doing it with a very methodical way, because this is not random, and they've been dumping in a very methodic fashion. I'm gonna show you why and how they are getting away with it. And the funny thing is that it's everything in their white paper, so all the holders know that it's happening, but they don't understand that. So first of all, this is the sentence that you have missed, and it's very important. The development fund vests at a rate of 25% per quarter. Now the key word is vest. So what is vesting? Well, from a financial point of view and from an investing point of view, I'm having a look at Investopedia, and as you can see, it says investing. Vesting is a legal term that means to give or earn the right to a present or future payment. So basically what's happening is very clear. Every time they get 20% of the overall amount that they have in their wallet, what they do, they simply dump it on the investors, and it's been looking like that for the last obviously couple of months. Now this is not even the worst thing of all, not even the biggest red flag of them all, and I'll get to that in just 1 second. But on this channel we look at the best crypto investments and also the best crypto apps, so stick around if you want to make money. Now, what is the next biggest red flag? And to get to that, let me back it up a second. So first of all, Cryptoblades, it is this game that is basically used to obviously make money. That is one of the purposes. In theory, you should actually enjoy yourself, but I think that most people are just using it to make money, and that's what we're gonna have a look at. And actually you can make money, and that's the very first thing that they tell you. So you can participating in combat through the character and blah blah. You basically point and click and say, okay, I'm attacking this character, and if you win you get more skill token. Then there is another way, which is to obviously make your own NFT and sell it on their marketplace. That's another way to make money, and then you can trade these NFTs, and basically that's another way to again make money. And so all of this revolves around this game, and the game is popular now as we speak, but this can be forgotten very soon. That is what normally happens with other games, and history repeats itself. And then there is the whole NFT marketplace thing. As you can see, these are the kind of stuff that is on the screen right now. To be honest, I'm not really big on NFTs. I mean, I know a lot about them, but I think that, for example, in this platform, I mean, it has to compete with Binance. They have a very big marketplace on Binance, and this company, this game needs to compete with Binance. Do you understand how hard it is? And obviously that is another red flag, and there is actually even more, and the next part becomes even more controversial if it can get even more of that. Cryptoblades is one of the most viewed cryptocurrencies on coinmarketcap. As you can see on the screen, it is now on position number 8, and that is actually how I found it. But what I wanted to tell you is that a cryptocurrencies hit coinmarketcap the most viewed pages, it normally means that it has almost peaked out, and that is more of a rule of thumb, especially for all these hype coins that come and go, and to be honest don't have much fundamentals. But to be honest, I could be wrong, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I really want to know. Please do not destroy me. This is just my opinion. I'm letting you know on my plays. And this is, by the way, another thing of this channel. I actually have my own Discord group where I talk to my subscribers, and they can ask me anything, and we talk about investing all the time. Link in the description. But for the long run, run of this token, I don't think is gonna go well. There is something I need to tell you. For example, I've read the white paper, and to be honest, I couldn't find anything about the fact that they want to keep the supply of this token fixed to the amount that it is now. I actually have a feeling that they might want to actually print more of it once they run out of it, because they are dumping, as I told you at the beginning of the video. They might even decide, hang on, yeah, let's milk it a little bit more, let's print some more, let's come up with some reasons, maybe let's put up a new marketplace or something like that, some new NFTs or anything that requires this new token, and so they can start the game again using the massive community that they have at the moment. I've looked at their Discord and it's just insane. I couldn't even get into it. They have over 100,000 people on the Discord, and to be honest, I got left out and I couldn't get into it. And if you are a risk taker and you do not care about these kind of red flags, well, just go ahead. This is a token that could actually go up. I'm not saying that this is totally bad. There are so many other tokens that are being managed exactly like this one and that have gone up. For example, with listings on Binance, that at the moment this token has not been listed yet. And in fact, if I look at the places where this token has been listed, it's just a handful. Most of the supply is still on PancakeSwap, which means that, you know, it has a lot of room to grow potentially. You know, once the development team has finished to dump their coins, maybe it will go up. I can't tell you at this stage. Potentially, let's have a look at it in the future. I'm gonna make a new video on this token if, for example, I am wrong and it will go through the roof, or if more controversial stuff comes out. And if you like this video, you will love the video that is on the screen right now. Click on it and I'll see you there. It's a very good video and I really recommend for you.